Have you ever lifted a heavy wood panel? Large wood panels, hundreds of kilos, hard to move, especially in furniture workshops. This happens daily. So what's the solution to avoid manual lifting? Introducing 3,000 kilograms E-type hydraulic lifting table, designed for lifting panels and wood packages. Lifting up to 3 tons, fits both panels and pallets. No more 3-2 for people carrying one heavy board. Large table size, 2,000 by 1,350 millimeters. Very convenient. Height range 150 millimeters to 1,000 millimeters. Flexible for processes. 1.5 kilowatts motor power, stable and durable. Smooth workflow, no bottlenecks in transport. See the difference within the first week of use. Safer workers, more efficient workflow. Clean workshop, no more heavy lifting. Don't let with lifting waste your time. Contact VINH to experience the 3,000 kilograms lift table.